So this is the cell I built with the Campbell gaskets, and I've disassembled it. And what I've discovered is right here and right over here, that's where the port was inside of the Campbell gasket, and it's not getting enough pressure against the plate, and it is leaking up through underneath. Right there is the gasket, and you can see that it's traveling underneath of the gasket, between the gasket and the plate. So what I'm going to have to do is find something that's stiffer, that can still maintain good pressure on the plate for just that small span. Either that or make the gap smaller and put more of them in there. But these gaps were cut at about a 1/4 inch, and that right there is about an 1/8 inch. So maybe about an 1/8 inch is about as wide as I should cut that gap. Some other things I'd like to do is to try something thinner on the outside. So a very stiff, thin material is what I'd be after. I don't know, maybe one other thing I could do is I could put some kind of a form a gasket or something there, something to seal that right there between the gasket, and let it all get set up before I fill the cell with any kind of a solution. But there is my update on the Campbell gaskets, and I'm in a way, I'm actually happy to have discovered this, because that does give me hope that if we can stop the leakage, we can increase the MMW. On one of my tests where I lowered the current, I was able to get 5.3 or 4, something like that. So you know, that's a fairly small plate. I mean, it's only about 2.6 inches across on the exposed area, and I think I was pushing a lot out of this little generator, pushing it too hard. But I did want to see, you know, what could come through that Campbell gasket port. I would like it to have good flow, and I think it's demonstrated that it can do that. But there are some improvements that still need to be made. Okay, well, I'll talk to you later.